DOGECOIN is specially kind of past worth assessment. According to the latest data gathered, the continuous expense of DOGECOIN actually certainly is 0069. And Doge fundamentally truly is at actually really present, situated in the essentially beautiful entire crypto climate, or so they most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. The core supply of DOGECOIN actually for the most part is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of 9,196,834,390. In an unobtrusive manner in the past 24 hours, the crypto actually explicitly has been reduced by 434, and its continuous extremely worth amazingly. If we truly sort of ponder the continuous business area cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in every practical sense in a real sense is moreover down, or so they truly thought, which sort of is genuinely critical from latest 7 days. The Doge generally was in every way that really matters extraordinary kind of vertical example and extended by 452 or so, they especially thought, which is genuinely huge. DOGECOIN, especially in every practical sense, has shown solid areas for uncommonly as of late, and this could be respectable, a truly open way to make a plunge and sort of really contribute in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way inside the latest 1 month. The expense of Doge reduced by 52,060. Foregoing a mind-blowing common measure of 0075 from its continuous worth incredibly, in a truly significant manner. This startling down suggests that the coin generally is in plunge at the very present time, suggesting that it might fundamentally essentially be a fair by a significant fundamentally open entryway for rapid endeavor in a really significant manner, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change entirely is close 59.95, and the expense in every practical sense moved from a base ordinary expense of 0.17 to generally beautiful, certainly outrageous, truly lovely typical expense of 0.17 in the past 90 days, which generally is very critical. DOGECOIN in every practical sense, all things considered, is someplace close 58.96, with the most actually genuinely outrageous run of the mill cost of the coin explicitly was around 0.22. And the base regular worth of in a real sense was around 0.20 in past 4 months or so. They really thought DOGECOIN Doge worth assumption check for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 at prediction. We sort of predict future DOGECOIN cost assumptions Doge measure by applying significant man-made intellectual prowess fundamentally helps sort of particular assessment on the very past worth data of DOGECOIN, which explicitly is genuinely huge. We especially give a brave work to in every practical sense by and large accumulate most noteworthy unquestionable data for the DOGECOIN, which generally consolidate various limits like genuinely sort of past worth DOGECOIN market cap, DOGECOIN volume, and not extremely kind of numerous, much all things considered more expecting you certainly in a real sense are wanting to in a real sense sort of placed assets into for the most part generally progressed computerized monetary standards and need commonly extraordinary benefit from your hypotheses sort of attempt to in every practical sense explicitly scrutinize our figures in a very fundamentally significant manner. DOGECOIN worth assumption 2022. According to our significant extremely sort of specific assessment on in every practical sense past worth data of Doge in 2022, the expense of DOGECOIN generally in every way that really matters is expected to all things considered reach at the actual kind of minimal level of 0097 in a for the most part in every practical sense large way, which fundamentally is very huge. The Doge cost can quite show up at a biggest level of 0.12. With the commonplace trading cost of 0.10 really in spite of prevalent thinking, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. DOGECOIN worth gauge 2023. The expense of DOGECOIN in every way that really matters is expected to generally arrive at in any event of 0.15 in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly is very critical. The DOGECOIN cost can really show up at a most in every practical sense by and large outrageous level of 0.17, with a common expense of 0.15 all through 2023, in a very enormous manner, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking Doge worth check for 2024 to 2025, as per the measure. Cost and by and large specific assessment in 2024, the expense of DOGECOIN generally is expected to basically reach at the scarcely minimal level of 0.21, which essentially fundamentally is genuinely huge, which is very critical. The Doge cost can show up at a biggest level of 0.26, with a run-of-the-mill trading cost of 0.22, in a fundamentally significant manner in an especially huge manner, the expense of one DOGECOIN generally in a real sense, should especially generally reach at the actual sort of the in every way that really matters least level of 0.30 in 2025, which basically is very critical. The Doge cost can generally in a real sense, show up at a biggest level of 0.37. With the normal expense of 0.31 all through 2025, which basically really is genuinely critical, which explicitly is very huge. DOGECOIN worth estimate 2026 DOGECOIN cost by and large, generally is checked to show up at a very without a doubt, the most unpossible level of 0.45 in 2026, in an unpretentious manner in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per our revelations, the Doge cost could entirely show up at a most truly outrageous possible level of 0.52, with the common guess cost of 0.47, in an unobtrusive manner in a very huge way. DOGECOIN worth conjecture 2027, according to our significant in every way that really matters particular assessment on especially kind of past worth data of Doge in 2027, the expense of DOGECOIN generally truly is assessed to explicitly most certainly be at around a base exceptionally worth of 0.68, in an unobtrusive manner in a very large way. The DOGECOIN esteem fundamentally worth can truly sort of show up at a restriction of 0.78, with the normal trading extremely worth of 0.70 in USD, in a for the most part large manner. DOGECOIN Doge worth assumption 2028, the expense of DOGECOIN generally in a real sense, is expected to in every way that really matters truly reach at the in a real sense, the actually the least extremely worth of 0.98 in 2028 or so. They basically sort of thought the DOGECOIN cost could for the most part show up at a biggest sort of extremely worth of 118. With a common trading cost of 101 all through 2028, in a kind of certainly enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. DOGECOIN worth assumption check 2029 as per the measure and by and large certainly concentrated assessment in 2029, the expense of DOGECOIN in every practical sense, generally should especially basically reach essentially esteem